Hello friends, it's me Sulesh. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate SSL certificate in your WordPress website. To do that, you need to open your WordPress dashboard, and left panel you can find out plugins, add new, click on add new button. Then here you can see the search box. Here you need to search SSL, then hit enter button. Then you can see the really simple SSL. This is the plugin that we need to install. You can see here this plugin by really simple plugins for 4+ million active installations there. So you need to click install now button to install this on your WordPress dashboard. Then after that, click on the activate button. So once you click the activate button, it will automatically go to your dashboard home page. In case if it is not showing the home page, you need to click on the home page here from the dashboard, so you will be in the home page. And after, you can see here the activation button again. Here, this is the activation for your domain. The first time you active only the plugin, so now you need to activate this SSL to your domain. So you need to click this button to activate. Go ahead and activate SSL, that button. Then it's already activated. Sometime when you click that button, automatically your WordPress dashboard will log out. So you need to log in again. Then only it will active really. So now it's already activated. So if you want to make sure it's already activated, what you can do, just open an incognito window, private window. After that, you search your domain name here. Okay, just go to the domain, your website, open your website. Then you can see now the SSL certificate is already active, and you can see HTTPS. So HTTPS already there. So it's secured already now. So I hope this video is useful for you. Kindly subscribe the channel, also press the bell icon. See you on next video. Take care.